Hi friends, welcome back to CivTechSimplified. I am presenting fifth part of our ongoing video series, and the topic for today is civil engineering and its impact on society as well as global impacts. We will be discussing 25 multiple choice questions in this video part, and these questions would definitely help you guys to prepare yourself for the GAT exam or any sort of the competitive exam. Either it is at university level or you are preparing yourself for any job interview or test. And remember, the correct answers would be highlighted so that you could review them effectively at later stages. So let's get started with today's video. Question number 101. Which type of material used in glow in the dark? This question is related to the highways. Which type of material is used for glow in the dark? Option A, lime powder. Option B, ferrous powder. Option C, photoluminescence powder. Option D, all of the above. You can send your suggestions in the comment box. If you know the answers, you can mention here in the comment box. And the correct answer for this question is C, photoluminescing powder. This material is used during the road pavement and highway construction, and it gives a brightness to the highways during dark time. Normally, the road markings are done with this type of material. Question number 102. Interactive light is perfect for dash. Option A, highway. Option B, seaway. Option C, airport. Option D, railway. Interactive light is the light where once you approach that light and it blinks and it gets on. Such type of light is used normally on highways. For airport, you need permanent lighting. For railways, you also need permanent lighting. For sea, you need fixed lighting. But for highways, yes, you can use the interactive lighting, because at time where there is no traffic, those lights will get switched off, and once some of the vehicle approaches that area, so those lights have a inbuilt sensor and it senses the coming vehicle or the traffic, and then the light gets on. Such type of lights are called interactive lights, and these are preferred for the highways. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 103. Dash powdered lights will power up its using pinwheel to generate electricity. Which type of powered lights will power up itself using pinwheel to generate electricity? Option A is wind powered lights. Option B is thermal powered light. Option C is solar powered lights. Option D, all of the above. So A is the correct answer. Wind powered lights will power up itself using pinwheels to generate electricity. Wind power lights will power up itself using pinwheels to generate electricity. So A is the correct answer. Question number 104. Traffic technology is option A, loop detectors. Option B, electronic display signs. Option C is video cameras. And option D, all of the above. So within the given options, all are coming under the traffic technology. So D is the correct answer. So loop detectors are also covered under the traffic signals and technology. Electric display signs are also just to support the drivers during any of the message conveying point, and video cameras are also used for the highways, monitoring the traffic speeds and etc. So all these are correct options. So D here is the all of the above is the correct answer for this question. Question number 105. Smart life poles are used in option A, plain train. Option B, local road. Option C, highly risky mountain roads and highways. Option D, none of the above. So yes, the smart life poles are used in highly risky mountain roads and highways. So C is the correct answer. Question 106. Which one is the largest railway network in the world? So which country has the largest railway network in the world? Option A, first one USA, option B, second is China, option D, Russia, and option D, fourth is India. So I have modified this question a little bit, giving you the sequence with respect to the length of the railway lines and railway networks within countries. So the first one and the largest railway network is in USA, and it is covering the 220 uh, 20 2 lakh 20,044 kilometer. Secondly, it's China, which is covering the second largest road network, and third one is Russia, which is having the third largest the railway network, and fourth one is India. So India is the fourth largest uh, railway network country in the world. First one is USA, second one is China, third one is Russia, and the fourth one is India. I hope you have got the sequence in your mind and you have got a bit additional information. So the question was, which country has the largest uh, rail network? So it's USA, but you should be having the knowledge of at least first four countries. Therefore, I put these names. The second largest is China, third one is Russia, and the fourth one is India. Question 107. Smart future railway is option A, driverless train. What is smart future railway? It will be a driverless train. Option B, maglev train. Option C, hydrogen train. So all these are being considered under the smart future railways. So D is the correct answer. Question 108. Japan and China, the model of maglev train, which is now dash, has been developed in India. So the modern railway network is maglev train, and India has 600 kilometer per hour speed of it. So this train has the speed of 600 kilometer per hour, and now India is also having such type of rails. The second option was 400 kilometer, third was 500 kilometer per hour, and D is 300 kilometer. So A is the correct answer. This train has 600 kilometer per hour speed. Question number 109. The metro railway system and service are operational in dash cities of India. So option A is 9, option B is 10, option C is 11, and option D is 12. So 11 cities of India has the metro rail network or the system. C is the correct answer for this question. Question 110. A hyperloop is a proposed mode of dash. Option A, passenger. Option B, passenger and freight transportation. Option C, freight transportation. Option D is none of the above. So Hyperloop rail network is being considered both for passenger as well as freight. So B is the correct answer. Hyperloop technology is the advanced version of the metro train system, and it is being considered for passengers as well as freight trains. Question 111. The process of decomposition of biodegradable solid waste by earthworm is called vermicomposting. C is the correct answer. Future innovation of airports are dash. Future innovation of at airports are dash. Option A, automated check-ins. Option B, laser molecular body scanners. And option C, bag collection and tracking. All of the above. So D is the correct answer. I think the advanced countries and developed countries have mostly uh, have these facilities. Especially, I personally witnessed at Dubai International Airport. It is now automatically checked in, and bag collection has been smoothly and through tracking number or QR codes. So these all are the features of an future innovation at the airports in the future era. The automated check-ins, it has already been started. Laser and molecular body scanners are available at the advanced countries, and bag collection and tracking is also available. So all these features are for future innovation of airports. Question 113. Future innovation at ports are dash. What are the future innovations at ports? Option A, access control. Option B, container security. Option C, wireless mobility. Option D, all of the above. So all these are already being considered for ports, and it's access control, container security, and wireless mobility. So all these are the correct answer. 114. There are dash inland national waterways in India. What are the inland national waterways (NWs) in India? How many? Option A is 111, option B 112, option C 113, option D 114. So A is the correct answer. There are 111 inland national waterways in India. Question 115. Sea canals is a dash. Option A, create a shortcut. Option B, provide economical alternative. Option C, create a navigable shipping link. Option D, all of the above. So the purpose of creating a sea canal is to create a shortcut for the ships, provide economical alternative, and it creates the navigational shipping links for the ships. So all these are the features of a sea canal. 116. The Dash Canal is the longest canal in India. Option A, Indira Gandhi Canal. Option B, Buckingham. Option C, Panama. Option D, Sutlej Yamuna. So Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest and largest canal in India. A is the correct answer. 117. What body of water does the Panama Canal connect to the Pacific Ocean? What body of water does the Panama Canal connects to the Pacific Ocean? Option A, Atlantic Ocean. Option B, Indian Ocean. Option C, Southern Ocean. Option D, Red Sea. So the Panama Canal connects Pacific Ocean with Atlantic Ocean, and it is used as an alternative way, and most of the world trade is also dependent upon this canal. You must have witnessed and listened to this canal's publicity in the recent past when there were some conflicts. So this canal was blocked, and a lot of ship transport of the world was stopped, and there were some political issues in the world. So option A is Atlantic Ocean, and it is the correct answer for this question. 118. The length of the Panama Canal from shoreline to shoreline is about dash mile. From shoreline of the Pacific Ocean to the shoreline of the Atlantic Ocean, the length of the corridor or the length of the Panama Canal is 40 mile. Option A is 10 mile, option B is 20 mile, option C is 30 mile, and option D is 40 mile. So its length is 40 mile. D is the correct answer. 119. How high do the locks of the Panama Canal have to raise and lower boats? Option A is 65 feet, option B is 75 feet, option C is 85 feet, option D is 95 feet. So the locks of the Panama Canal has to be raised 85 feet in order to shift the ships from one sea to the other sea. Like Pacific to Atlantic, it has the mechanical jacks and mechanical lifters over there. So it lifts the canal to the other side. So it has the raise or lift or head of 85 feet. Question 120. 1 mile is equal to dash kilometer. 1 mile is equal to how much kilometer? Option A is 1.609. Option B 1.709. Option D C is 1.809 and option D is 1.909. So A is the correct answer. 1 mile is equal to 1.609. Question number 121. Tunneling is required in case of dash. Tunneling is required in case of dash. Option A laying pavement. Option B laying road. Option C on ground passage. Option D underground passage. So tunneling is required in case of dash. It is required for underground passage. D is the correct answer. Question 122. The line at which the tunnel wall breaks from sloping outward can be given as. The line at which tunnel wall breaks from sloping outward can be given as option A spring line, option B center line, option C oval line, option D middle line. The line at which the tunnel wall breaks from sloping outward can be said as or can be called as spring line. A is the correct answer. 123. Which method can be adopted in case of rock tunneling? When we are encountering or we are being encountered a rock and we are drilling a tunnel, so which method will be used? Option A is full face method. Option B is benching. Option C is tracing. Option D is back bearing method. So A is the correct answer. Full face method is used in case of rock tunneling. 124. Pick the tunnel which is not a subgroup of traffic tunnels. Option A railway tunnels. Option B sewage tunnels. Option C is highway tunnels. Option D is pedestrian tunnel. Tunnel which is not a subgroup of traffic tunnel, it's called a sewage tunnel. Yes, railway is also a mode of transport. Highway tunnels are, of course, transport, and pedestrian tunnels are also a mode of transport. But sewage tunnel is not the mode of a transport. Therefore, B is the correct answer for this question. Question 125 and the last question for this video part. Tunnels associated with hydropower generation are called. Uh, what is the name of tunnel which is associated with the hydropower generation? Option A energy tunnels, option B power tunnels, option C generation tunnels, option D hydropower tunnels. So of course it's clear and evident with the name, it's option D hydropower tunnels. So this is the end of this video part. Thank you for watching and being with us. This was part 5th. Hopefully we will be presenting few more parts because this topic is very much interesting and important. We will be discussing the impacts of civil engineering over society and global uh, world. So please be with us for few more lectures. This will definitely help you prepare yourself for GATE exam. Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell mark, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. So see you in the next video. Till then, thank you and goodbye.